red or swollen gums and sore gums are all symptoms for a dental issue named gingivitis. If you don't treat this gum disease, it can lead to periodontitis. Some of the factors that can cause gum disease are poor oral hygiene, smoking, genetic predisposition, poor nutrition, hormonal changes, diabetes, stress. Some of the best remedies for gum disease are oil pulling. Swish 1 tablespoon of sesame oil through your teeth for 15 minutes and then rinse your mouth. Repeat daily for a month. Sea salt. Mix some sea salt with warm water and swish a sip of it for a few seconds. Repeat 2-3 times a day. After brushing, tea bags. Steep a tea bag in hot water for 10 minutes and then let it cool. Press the tea bag on the affected area and keep it for 5 minutes. Chamomile tea. Mix 2-3 teaspoons of chamomile flowers with 1 cup of hot water and let it steep 10 minutes, then let it cool. You have to gargle the tea as a mouthwash. Repeat 3 times a day. Aloe vera. Massage your gums with fresh aloe vera or leave it on for half an hour and then rinse. You can also swish some aloe vera juice, or drink 2 teaspoons of aloe vera juice twice a day. Tea tree oil. Brush your teeth 2 times a day with 2 tea tree oil drops added on your toothpaste. Repeat for several weeks. Myrrh. Rinse your mouth with warm water and 10 drops of myrrh tincture. Coconut oil. Instead of toothpaste, mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in baking soda. Cranberry juice. Drink up to 4 ounces of cranberry juice daily to prevent bacteria from sticking to your teeth. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.